Gauranga Mahaprabhu is the combined form of Rasarada Krishna and Mahabhavamaya Radha. All right? Krishna is Rasarada, Sringara Rasarada. What is English? Sringara Rasarada?
King of conjugal mellow.
King of conjugal mellow. That is English, he said. So ask him, he'll say English, I don't know. Sringara Rasarada. Krishna is Sringara Rasarada, king of conjugal mellow. Huh? Radharani is Mahabhavamayi, Madanakhya Mahabhavamayi, personification of Mahabhav. These two combined together, Gaura. All right? Understood now? Combination means union. So union is there. Radha and Krishna are combined together, so union is there. But Radharani is mood. What is her mood? Radharani always feels separation from Krishna. Do you understand? That is known as Vipralamba Bhav. Huh? Union in Sanskrit says Sambhoga. Separation, Sanskrit Vipralamba. Do you understand? So Radharani always feels the separation from Krishna. Huh? So she is always crying in that mood, feeling acute bang of separation from Krishna. That is Vipralamba Bhava. Do you understand? Union, Sanskrit Sambhoga, Viraha, separation in Sanskrit Vipralamba. Understand? So Gauranga is the combination of union and separation. Sambhoga and Vipralamba. Two opposites. Huh? Understand? Huh? Because union is opposite to separation. In other words, in Sanskrit, Sambhoga is opposite to Vipralamba. The Mahaprabhu is the combination of both union and separation, the Sambhoga and Vipralamba. That means two opposites are there in one container. Huh? Understand, madam? This is Gaura.